Hey everybody, this is Lance from datatraders.com. Just wanted to do an update on the 0DTE and credit spreads in the last few weeks. We've been doing a really good run on the 0DTE. I actually had 10 winners in a row, and the account grew about 25% in just 2 weeks. And we also did well on some of the credit spreads. So I'll show you on the spreadsheet some of the winning trades. Let's get right to it. We're going to look at April 11th all the way to today. I'll show today's trade on the Discord. Didn't post it on the spreadsheet yet. But 411, we sold a call credit spread, took in $35, bought the close at zero. Put credit spread on the 14th, $35, closed at zero. Notice on a lot of these I'm doing either one direction, put or call credit spread. When we see a clear direction in the market, we tend to go the other way. And then I look at some technical analysis on what strikes to use. In the last few weeks, bought to close all of these at zero. These use 10 with, so $1,000 minus the credit you take in to do one contract. So it's anywhere between $960, $970. But if you're making $35, $40 a day, it's a good overall return per day. On the 25th, on Friday, we actually did an iron condor. Took in $50. I decided to buy to close it at 25, only in about an hour, but this did expire worthless as well. Here you can see the percent gains per day. So we're usually averaging around 3-4% a day. Now also, if we look at the 0DTE trade for today, we did another iron condor, 54.67. I think that was a little off in terms of the initial price, but the strikes are right. That was 55.67. We sold the 54.40 put, bought the 54.30 put, and then we also sold the 56.15 call, bought the 56.25 call. I took in $65 in premium, and we did a 3x stop at 1.95. Let's go to the market for today. Look at the 15-minute chart or so. All right, so at around 8, right at open, around 9 o'clock over here, waited for this down move. Market was trending up, and then it opened at about plus 0.2% or so. Sold the iron condor out to 54.40 over here on the put credit spread side. And then I sold the 56.15 all the way up here on the call credit side. We got pretty close to a stop out. However, the market recovered at this point. Over here, we're at around a 2x loss, but I typically go a 3x loss, or I'll do an alert price around 10 to 20 points above a put credit spread. Didn't get to that point though. Then the market recovered up, and we just let it expire worthless. So if you're interested in these daily 0DTE, either put, call, or iron condor credit spreads and longer dated spreads, feel free to join at datatraders.com and the quarterly membership. You could also do the Inner Circle lifetime membership, and you'd get lifetime access. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. Helps out the channel. And see you guys in the next one.